Welcome back. Heart health is so critical when it comes to your well-being, and the Touro Hospital here in New Orleans is hosting 2 events to help you keep your heart fit and strong. Dr. Dean Yount is here to tell us more. Doc, thank you so much for being here this morning. We really appreciate you.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
So the first event is called Recipe for a Heart Healthy Diet. Let's talk about that.
Yes, it's next Thursday. It's at noon at Touro, and it's free to the public. And one of our dietitians will be talking about heart-healthy diet and cooking, which is so important. It's some of the things you can do for yourself to help improve your heart health and lessen the risk of developing heart disease.
And the second event, Women's Heart Health and Wine. Let's hear about that.
Yes, and that's next Thursday evening at Bar Francis. It's, again, open to the public, and there will be a presentation. We're doing it in conjunction with the American Heart Association. And besides the wine testing, you'll hopefully get some information about heart disease as well and how to prevent it.
We read a story today, you hear so much about wine, saying you drink a red glass of wine, it helps your heart. And even today, the story we read talking about wine and chocolate, it keeps you younger. Let's talk about some of the benefits of red wine. Is it better for you than white wine?
Well, from the standpoint, alcohol in general, in moderation, can have a beneficial effect on your heart health. Lessening the risk of heart attack or developing other problems. It lowers your cholesterol. Red wine in particular has less calories. Is probably why it's better for you than white wine, because white wine has a lot of carbohydrates in it. But again, it's moderation, because I would not recommend anybody to start drinking to protect your heart.
Right. But
in moderation is good.
So both events are February 22nd. What are the times, and is there a registration? Is there a fee for those?
The dietitian is at noon. It's at Touro. It's free and open to the public. At the wine tasting, or American Heart Association heart health presentation, is at 8 o'clock. There's a $10 fee at the door, and it is, again, open to the public. More information is available on Touro's website.
And last question for you really quickly. How did you all decide to come up with these 2 specific events with these topics?
Well, it's Heart Month. February is Heart Month, and it's important to get the word out this month to focus on improving your heart health.
Awesome. Thank you so much for coming here this morning and spreading this message. We'll have this information for you on our website, WDSU.com, where you can go to www.touro.com, the address right there on your screen. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.